Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through patching a section of gutter. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is a $10 fix on a Saturday afternoon, or whether you are really looking at a whole new gutter run. Here's the scene. After every rain, there is a waterfall coming down the side of your house. Maybe the siding below is staining dark. Maybe you can see a bead of drip under one joint. Maybe the fascia behind the gutter is soaked every time. Full gutter replacement costs $5 to $15 per linear foot when you hire it out. A patch is $10 total. But before you buy anything, here's the single biggest mistake I see homeowners make. They patch the wrong spot. You have to find the actual leak first. Run a garden hose into the gutter from the roof end or wait for the next rain. Watch where water drips. Is it a seam, a hole in the bottom, an end cap, or the downspout outlet? Mark it with a Sharpie on the outside. One trap I always check: water spilling over the top is not a leak. That is a clog. Now here's what the job actually looks like for a hole. You clear the debris around the damage. You wire brush the inside of the gutter until the metal is bright and clean. You wipe it with alcohol and let it dry. You cut aluminum flashing 2 inches larger than the hole in every direction. You lay a generous bead of gutter sealant on the back. You press it over the hole from inside, work out the air bubbles, and run another bead around the edges. For a seam between two sections, you skip the flashing and run sealant directly into the joint from the inside, working it into every gap. For an end cap, same method, fresh bead from the inside. For the downspout outlet, seal the joint where the outlet meets the gutter bottom. And if the section is beyond patching, you cut out the bad piece with tin snips, overlap new gutter 2 inches at each end, and rivet it together with sealant under and over. The mistakes that bring the leak right back: patching over a wet gutter, skipping the wire brush, using regular silicone instead of gutter-grade butyl or sealant rated for the job, patching from outside the gutter where water pressure pushes the patch off, letting rain hit it before the sealant cures for 24 hours. And one more thing, gutter work is ladder work at roof edge. If the weather is wet or the wind is up or you do not have a stabilizer arm resting on the roof, stop, come down, come back another day. For the full step-by-step, the seam fix, the section replacement, and the maintenance schedule that keeps you off the ladder in the first place, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.